Dr. Peters is the director of the USC Clinical Diabetes Program and professor of clinical medicine at USC at the Keck School of Medicine. She's recently published a book that I urge you to read if you haven't, called Conquering Diabetes. It's for people with diabetes and all who deal with them and their problems. She will address clinical implications for treating patients with cardiovascular disease.
What I'm going to try to do is to teach you not only about how I take all this information and apply it clinically, but I want to teach you about some of the work that I am actually doing in communities. Because I think we can't deal with this epidemic of diabetes and obesity unless we deal with people in their worlds. And I also think that I can't tell someone what to do. I can't tell someone in West LA, in Beverly Hills, what to do. And I particularly can't tell people who live in East Los Angeles, which is very poor and very Latino, or in Watts, or other sections of town where this epidemic is worse, what to do. But I'll tell you how I'm beginning to learn about how to help them help their communities. And it's something that I think we all can do to really make a change and really apply what we're all learning to bigger and bigger populations. This is the slide, and it looks at these elements that we talked about, the glucose, the dyslipidemia, hypercoagulability, hypertension, and all of these elements combining together to create both a problem for our patients in terms of micro and macrovascular complications, but also a challenge to all of us to try to keep treating these complications to improve outcomes. So what do we do? Well, it's pretty simple if you want to write a list. What we do is we do our best to lower LDL concentrations and hopefully to less than 70 if you can, and many of our patients need to be on statin therapies, if not all. We want to raise HDL cholesterol levels, not always easy to do, but certainly a good goal, and lower triglyceride levels, and David talked a lot about how we can do that. We want to lower blood pressure to less than 130/80 or even lower. We want to use ACE inhibitors and or angiotensin receptor blockers. We want to reduce hypercoagulability. That's probably the simplest one, by giving an aspirin to most patients who require it. We want to decrease inflammation, which we do through a lot of our other therapies as well as through weight loss. We want to improve vascular function. And finally, we want to lower glucose levels. And I would argue that lower with glucose is in fact better as long as someone's not getting hypoglycemic. And I aim for not only getting patients' A1C levels below 7, but I really work hard to keep my patients' A1C levels below 6. Because if I think I can get people to normal, and as we'll talk about, I can reduce risk both of micro and macrovascular complications.